Hello everyone, myself Suraj Raut. I am working as STEM faculty in Podar International School ICSE, Chhatrapati, Sambhajinagar. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about ultrasonic sensor. We are having educational robotic kits. The name of this educational robotic kit is MBOT, and we use ultrasonic sensor along with the educational robotic kit. On the left hand side of your screen, ultrasonic sensor is shown. It has two parts, transmitter and receiver. Ultrasonic sensor is attached in front of MBOT. The use of ultrasonic sensor is to detect an object or detect an obstacle which comes in between. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of an object or obstacle using sound wave. BAT uses sound wave to detect obstacle. So before discussing about the working of ultrasonic sensor, let us discuss about how BAT uses ultrasonic sound to navigate catch prey at night. BAT emit high frequency ultrasonic sound. If any object or prey comes in between, that sound get reflected back, which is received by BAT ears, and it can recognize how far the object is. This technique is called as an echolocation technique. The same principle is applied in ultrasonic sensor. Transmitter transmit ultrasonic sound, that if any object comes in between, that sound get reflected back, which is received by receiver, and ultrasonic sensor can calculate the distance how far the object is. There are lots of applications of ultrasonic sensor. We can use ultrasonic sensor for car parking. We can also use ultrasonic sensor for parking zone detection, and lots of other applications are there. Obstacle detection, obstacle avoidance, obstacle follower. The range of ultrasonic sensor is minimum 3 centimeter, and it can be detected up to 400 centimeter. Now let me demonstrate the actual working of ultrasonic sensor with our educational robot. We need to program this educational robotic kit. First step is to write down the program. So there are two ways to write down the program. First is by using block-based programming, that is Scratch, and second is Python programming. Once we write down the program, second step is to upload the program, and third step is testing. So in this video tutorial, I'm not covering programming part. I'll be demonstrating you the output of three different programs. First demo is obstacle detection. Second demo is obstacle avoidance, and third demo obstacle follower. Let me show you demonstration 1, obstacle detection. So MBOT will move forward. So let me turn on the device. As soon as I start the program, MBOT will move forward, and when obstacle is detected, MBOT will stop moving. So program started, it is moving forward, and as obstacle detected, MBOT stop. Let me show you one more time. It is moving forward, and as soon as obstacle detected, it stopped. Second demonstration, obstacle avoidance. Now as soon as obstacle detected, MBOT will take turn to avoid the obstacle. So let me start the execution. MBOT is moving forward. As soon as obstacle detected, it is taking turn. So as you can see, MBOT is moving forward. As soon as obstacle detected, it is taking turn. So in this way, it works. Demo 3, obstacle follower. I'm moving my hand forward, and when I stop my hand, MBOT also stop. Now MBOT will move backward, MBOT will move forward. So this is obstacle follower. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you.